All right, let's dive right in. 5 free ways on how to make money as a teenager. When I say free, I mean it's going to cost you absolutely nothing for you to get started in these 5 things that I'm going to mention to you about. So essentially, all you need to get started with this is some time and some effort on your part, and you should be on your way to make some extra cash. All right, the first item on the list is taking surveys. There's companies out there that provide products, provide services, and they care about your opinion. They care about what you think about these products. And these products could be your favorite snacks. They could be clothing items. They could be things that are consumer end products that companies care what you think about them. They'll create surveys and they'll pay you for taking these surveys to give them feedback on what you think about these products. And the few companies that provide these surveys are Swagbucks, Survey Junkies, and Inbox Dollar. And essentially all you have to do is go on the websites, sign up, and start taking the surveys. Each survey should take you a few minutes to complete, and you can make anywhere from $1 to $5 to even $10 depending on how long the survey is. So if you dedicate enough time to this on a weekly basis, you can easily clear out $200+ every single month for free. All right, the second way that you can make money as a teenager is this right here. This, starting a YouTube channel. And I know that a lot of you are thinking, yeah, the YouTube channel is not easy, right? It takes a lot of expensive equipment, audio, video, lighting and stuff, and it costs a lot of money. And you're right, it does cost a lot of money. My setup is quite expensive. A lot of very high quality YouTuber setup is very expensive. If you ask any of those YouTubers, their setup initially when they started was not expensive. Their setup initially when they started was just an iPhone, their phone, right? They just had a phone. They had their basic editing skills where they could edit a video, their basic audio editing skills where they could fix up the audio, and then they post these videos with a cool little title, cool little thumbnail, and there's people that will watch these videos. So my suggestion to you is start this. This is completely free. It's an awesome business, and a lot of people make really good money from just having a YouTube channel and posting videos online. And people think that, all right, you know, I need to buy an expensive camera, I'm going to have enough money, I'll buy an expensive, microphone, I'll buy good equipment, and then I'll start a YouTube channel. But what you're doing at that point is you're postponing your dreams of maybe starting some sort of a YouTube channel, right? My suggestion to you is start right now. Literally just have this phone, just use the microphone on this. If you can afford a basic microphone, invest in that. But if you don't, I'm sure a lot of you already have good phones. If it's an iPhone, if it's Samsung, whatever that phone is, and these phones have the cameras, you can post it up somewhere, shoot a video, create a channel, pick a niche that you know is going to be, it's going to be a good niche, and then pick a niche that you have a lot of interest in as well. And then just start creating content. And then once you reach the 4,000 hours that YouTube requires you to reach and then get the 1,000 subscribers, then your channel will become monetized. As soon as you make that first dollar on your YouTube channel, your channel is now a business. And again, it's an awesome business. So I know that with this one, you're not gonna initially make money right away, like the surveys, like our first point, but you're literally creating a business. And there's no better or free way to start an awesome and a good business like starting a YouTube channel. So if you've been thinking about doing it, then just literally pick up your phone, post it up somewhere, and shoot the first video. Or so let's say you're like, all right, man, I don't want to make a YouTube channel. I don't have the creativity for this. I don't have the patience to even, buy equipment, buy a camera, buy a lighting system, whatever. I'll be like, that's fine. No problem. You don't have to make content. What you could also do when it comes to this YouTube space is be a content redistributor. That's our third point. What exactly is that? So content redistribution is, let's say that you come to me, a content creator, or you go to MrBeast, you reach out to any content creators and you tell them, hey, I have a service and I know that you make long form videos. What I could do is I can cut up these long form videos into TikToks, into Instagram Reels, or into YouTube Shorts, and I'll go ahead and post it for you and you make money off this, but you charge this person a little bit of a premium or a little bit of money for creating these shorts or TikToks or Reels for them. That's one way that you can make money. The other way that you can make money as a content distributor is, this is a little bit frowned upon, but there's people that do it. People that literally take someone's content, like MrBeast content or Speed's content, and they'll just do some sort of a reaction to it. They'll be like, and now MrBeast, made a video about a train running into another train or something. And then they'll have their audio in the background and then show MrBeast video. As long as you give some sort of credit to the creator, so that there's no copyright issues, you should be fine, even though this is frowned upon. But there's a lot of people making good money from this. So again, the way that you do it is you create a service either on Upwork or Fiverr, and you post up that you create shorts, TikTok videos, YouTube shorts or Instagram reels, and you can market yourself that way, or you can actually do outreach to already established creators and see that they don't have any sort of shorts page, or they don't have any sort of short content, but all they're doing is making long form videos. And you can reach out to them and be like, hey, you're completely missing out on a big market on YouTube shorts, TikToks, Instagram reels. Let me help you. And you'll be surprised, a lot of content creators will be like, all right, if it doesn't cost me too much money, why not? You can be that person that does that for me. Or again, if you don't want to work with content creators, you can do the easy and lazy way out and just kind of steal their content. Make sure you give them credits, so we're not gonna call it stealing, and you can do some sort of a reaction behind the scenes on these videos, and that way you can make money. So for number 2, number 3, either starting a YouTube channel or already using content that's been created, making shorts. For these two, your sky is the limit, right? You can make upwards of $500 or plus, depending on how hard you want to work in this category, in this sector, and how big you want to reach with this business. So 500 plus with these two segments. Sometimes I'll sit in front of the camera and I'll make videos on things that happened, experiences in the past, whether it's a business experience, something with my education, or even a past story that I want to come and tell you and make sure that, it's a good teaching, a good lesson that I learned in life, and I can relay that over to you. A lot of times for those videos, I will not write a script because I want it to be and feel as raw as possible, because I want that message to be resonated by you in a very raw form. And for that, again, there's no scripts. But a lot of times, because my content is very educational based on how to, grow your finances, how to, provide self-growth for yourself, how to start a business, a side hustle. These are things that, you have to create a script for, because you don't want to just sit behind a camera and blurt out just nonsense. And just be like, just give people information that is not really going to do well. So a lot of times when I tell you how to start a specific business, how to start a specific side hustle, these are things that I've either done myself or I've researched, and I know that this can make you money. With research comes script writing, and that's one thing that to this day I still haven't been able to outsource. Every other piece of my YouTube channel is outsourced. I have an editor, I have a team that, creates a bunch of the thumbnails for me and things like that. But when it comes to the script writing piece, I have not been able to find a good fit. That's how you can be that person. I'm showing you that there's a huge demand out there for a good script writer. Yes, if you go on Fiverr, if you go on Upwork, there's going to be probably thousands of people that claim that they can write good scripts and they could be good script writers and the pricing is amazing. But I personally have worked with a lot of those people. I can vouch to you that a lot of those people on Fiverr and on Upwork are not good quality script writers. And the ones that are amazing, they're way too expensive, and a lot of content creators can't afford them. So again, it might not even be a money issue. For me, it's not a money issue. If I can find a good a script writer, I don't mind paying them what they deserve. But the thing is that not a lot exists. So again, there's a demand out there, there's a gap out there that you can fill. Reach out to these content creators, understand their channel, study the channel, what kind of content they write, and literally just be like, look, I live in the US, or I live in a country that speaks English. My English is really good. I know how to write in English. Or even if it doesn't have to be English, it could be a content creator in India, in China, and you might speak that language. You might be able to write scripts for that. So the whole point here is that you speak that language, you're creative, you want to sell yourself and tell them that you can be the best scriptwriter that person can hire. If I have somebody reach out to me and tell me, hey, I've studied your channel, the content's amazing, I resonate with the content, I can be a scriptwriter for you, I would love to speak to you, right? And at that point, I would probably set up a meeting with you, try to have you write a few scripts for me, as long as I can give you just the basics of what I want on my script, and then you take that and then create a script. That'd be awesome for me. I've been looking for a person like that for a long time. And again, I'm not alone in this space. There's a lot of thousands of creators out there that would love to hire somebody that can write a good script for them. There's demand out there, and you can be that person that does that. All right, the fifth way that you can make money as a teenager is I want you to sit back and I want you to think about things that you have, skills that you have that you could teach others. For example, one of my skills that I have is on how to establish a business, how to start a business in many different sectors. So I could teach you that. Or I could teach you how to start a YouTube video, right? One of my skills is on what kind of an audio setup you need, what kind of video and lighting setup that you need, what kind of camera it is that you need for a good YouTube studio or YouTube setup. These are things, skills that I have and that I've acquired over time, thousands of hours of trial and error where I've perfected it to the point where I can now teach someone else. And you have to understand that you live in the 21st century and you have access to a worldwide audience. Your audience is the entire globe. And you can do all of that through the internet. And the way that you can do that is by going to a website called Skillshare. And you can literally make videos, how-to videos, and be very detailed on how to do certain things that you think you're good at. Whether it's graphic designs, it's editing videos, it's drawing, any skill that you have that you can teach and relay over to others, these are things that you can make money on. So what you do is you create videos on Skillshare, and the amount of time that people spend on these videos, at the end of the month, Skillshare then pays you money for those videos. Or you can literally make these videos and categorize them as courses, and then you can sell these courses to people. So the one pro tip that I'll give you on this is try to be a little bit more niche, right? Instead of, let's say, saying how to draw, you could be like, how to draw an anime character. What that does at that point is it differentiates you from a lot of other people that are creating videos and courses on how to draw versus you that tells and teaches people on how to draw anime characters. So one, you're different now, and second of all, you're gonna attract an audience that's looking specifically for that, and they'll spend time watching your videos instead of clicking on it and realizing that that's not what they're looking for. All right, that concludes our video. I want to mention that the one thing that you all have watching this video, if you're a teenager, is you have the best asset in the world. And that asset is time. You guys are still young and you're just now stepping into that part of your life where you need to establish on what you want to do, on how to make money, how to establish your life. But you have to realize that your 20s is just for that. Your 20s, 30s, even 40s. People have started at the age of 40 and they've become successful after that. A lot of very successful people. And because you are still a teenager and because you click on this video, it tells me and you that you're determined, you have that eager and you have that fire inside of you that wants to become something or become someone. And because of that, you've already taken the biggest leap forward, right? Which is that discovery phase on how to make money, how to become successful. And since you've done that, it tells me that you're already headed in the right path. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.